Hi, my name is Jeremy Hess, and in this video, we're going to show you how to use the tokenization service in Akeyless in order to encrypt user data. Tokenization is the process of encrypting sensitive data, such as social security numbers, phone numbers, and credit card numbers in a way that preserves the data format and uniqueness, and allows for data encryption at a later time as well. So for example, you would encrypt a 16-digit credit card number so that the ciphertext is another 16-digit number. It's important to preserve the data format for two reasons. First, the data needs to still pass certain validation checks, and the format is one of those. So companies can use this method to avoid costly and time-consuming changes to data models and code. Second, keeping this format means that data such as credit cards or social security numbers can still be used as a unique key to identify a row in a database. Akeyless supports vaultless tokenization, meaning that a tokenized secret is not stored in the Akeyless SaaS at any time during or after the tokenization process. And we provide built-in tokenization templates for credit, debit, and prepaid cards, social security numbers, US phone numbers, as well as a custom tokenization template option. Let's go ahead and get started with our first tokenizer. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and create our tokenizer for, we'll do credit card numbers as an example. And we're going to create it through the UI. It can also be created through the CLI. And you have a few different options. Once you go to new tokenizer, and you will call this CC tokenizer. So you do some credit card tokenization. And you can encrypt it, and you can add delete protection so it's not accidentally deleted. And you have a few different types of tweaks that can be used for this. In this case, we're just going to use the internal one. Of course, in the docs, you can see all the different options. And we're going to go ahead and click next. And then the template type we're going to use is for a credit card. And here you can see the regex for that. Go ahead and click finish. And once we have our tokenizer ready to go, what we can go ahead and do is show how this would work. And what I'm going to do is paste in a command here, and that's going to be the tokenize command. So we're going to actually tokenize using our CC tokenizer the plain text of a potentially real credit card. We hit enter. It has to be LUHN compliant as well, LUHN, and you need to put the dashes in between the numbers as well. And now we have our encoded text. And what we can do with this is we can actually de-tokenize it using the same method. So if I go ahead and put in detokenize with the encoded number, that ciphertext, then it spits us back the correct credit card number. So this could be used, for example, with databases where you would enter the encoded text into the database instead of the decoded text, and it could be decoded later for use. So that's how we do tokenizers with Akeyless. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.